So we're just sitting here. It's the afternoon. It's been kind of a rainy day here in Tucson. Um, I had ordered some stuff from this store and it has arrived. Yep. It was kind of a bundle that all came together. So I thought this was kind of cool. And I'm going to open this up. That's the directions. Oh, that's kind of cool. And that's a clip. And then charging cable. And oh my God. Am I going to get shocked? I'm afraid to touch it. Where's the, there we go. I'm afraid to touch it. Oh my God, I'm such a, so. All right, so. Well, it doesn't do anything. I've got ink all over my fingers. I've been a painting fool lately. Let me turn it. Oh, that turns on. Ah! Oh! Holy crap-azoid! Wow. Did you see that? Wow. Let's do that again. Let's do it again. I'm afraid. Oh my God. I could feel it. I could feel it on my other hand here. Oh, I love it. I could scare things away with this. Yeah, I like it. Wow, that's taken someone down. And there goes Duncan. I am so sorry to scare you, baby cakes. It's okay. Here, I'm gonna turn it off. We'll turn that off. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. You don't need to be scared. I will never, ever, ever, ever use that on you, sweetie. No, I won't. I promise. Yes, my good boy. Is it time to go for a walk? Oh, is it time? Is it time to go for a walk? That's how he says yes. He does that. He bows. Okay. All right. Let's go for a walk.